Hey folks, this is Doug with OilTradingPros.com. Daily recap of April 13, 2012 in our live oil trade room. Overall pretty good, 1757.50 is what we pulled in. A couple of stop mounts early morning actually. Did get a lot of it back here in this nice short we scaled into on a 930 setup. Target filled, target and target filled down here as well. Stop out here on a short that we had taken in a 930 setup. Long here. First target filled, 10 ticks in the money. Adjusted our stops up, but it failed to break out. Set a new on the swing high here. Came back down for a stop out on that. We did get a re-entry long on 930 setup, which didn't quite make it to our first target of 10 ticks, and it came back down, stopped us out for 10 ticks actually. Next one over here short. First target filled at 10 ticks. Next one came up for break even on that. Couple of ES trades that were called out in our room. Scaled into a short here. We were looking for this move down to continue. It was trending real nicely within this channel here. Pulled off one. Actually, we tried to get in another couple up here, but we never ended up getting filled on those. Pulled off a few on a point. Took some more off. Point and 3 ticks. Another short that we took here in the top of this channel. Didn't want to get too greedy with this one. It was holding strong in this 69.50 level that we've been talking about earlier in the week. Took a few off there at 3 ticks. Then we adjusted our stop to break even. It came back up, popped us out, and then actually the other two were stopped out at 2 ticks, a 2 tick loss. So, but we did, the trade didn't work out in our favor, and we still kept it profitable. We were talking about another long over here. Didn't get the order on, and we were actually in an oil trade at this. A lot of the guys in the room ended up taking this one, which they netted a few points on that. Turned out to be pretty well. Just wanted to talk about our OFTPI indicator, how it was doing today. We wrote this indicator based on very specific parameters, proprietary indicator that we can teach you guys about if you sign up for our program. The pink arrow represents a short, as you know. Typically we don't take these within the first 10 to 15 minutes of the day just because there's so much whip going on. We like things to be a little bit more balanced out, so that's why we didn't take these first couple here. Was calling out a nice short here on the OFTPI, which would have hit our first target of 10 ticks, and the second half of your position would have got stopped out at break even, which is no problem at all. Next one here, called out a short on this pink arrow. Worked out really nicely. You could have pulled off quite a bit on this one here. And this indicator actually runs on a 13 range chart. Normally we use a 1 minute chart for our other trades, but this operates on the 13 range setup. And then called out another one over here. It never actually got filled. And then this next one that it was calling, we got filled over here short. And that's where we pulled off our last trade of the day for 10 ticks in the money. And then that second half of it got stopped out right at break even. Which, we had our first target. I have no problem getting stopped out at break even. All we want to do is at least get there, secure a profit, and if we catch them runners, just keep securing more profit, moving that out. I have no problem getting stopped out 10, 15, 20 ticks in the money after we've already made a little bit. So again, folks, this is Doug with OilTradingPros.com. Check out our website, shoot us an email, get yourself set up with a free trial to our daily chat. All these trades that I showed you here today are called out live in our trade room. You guys see our charts exactly as we see them, where we're getting in, where we're getting out, exactly as it's happening. You can also check out our other videos from earlier this week, other days as well that we've been keeping track of. We don't always get around to making a daily recap every single day, but we do try and keep you guys updated. So again, check out our website, let us know what you think, and hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.